Defining the second atom is a bit tricky, as the universe formed a complex soup of various particles after the Big Bang, many of which we might not even classify as atoms today. However, if we follow the traditional definition of an atom as the smallest unit of matter that retains the chemical properties of an element, the second atom formed is likely to be helium. Helium atoms, formed alongside hydrogen around 380,000 years after the Big Bang, consist of two protons and two neutrons in the nucleus, with two orbiting electrons. More complex than hydrogen due to the presence of two protons and neutrons, allowing for slightly different behavior and interactions. Accounts for about 24% of all atoms in the universe, making it the second most abundant element. Image of helium atom. Interesting facts about helium. Helium is lighter than air, which is why balloons filled with helium float. It's also an inert gas, meaning it is unreactive and doesn't readily form bonds with other elements. Helium is used in diving tanks because it doesn't cause the bends like nitrogen can. It's also used in cryogenics because it has the lowest boiling point of any element. While helium is commonly considered the second atom formed, it's important to remember that our understanding of the early universe is still evolving. There's a possibility that other, even simpler atomic structures might have existed briefly before helium, but our current detection methods might not be able to identify them. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about helium or the early universe? I'm happy to share more details.